If you are somebody who's been preparing for CLAT and is somebody who's given mocks, you must have noted that there is massive fluctuation in the marks that you get in mocks. Today, I'll be addressing that issue with you. So it is very common that as more and more mocks you give, you will be scoring terrible marks in some mocks and you'll be getting extremely good marks in others. And that makes you question, is your preparation not good enough? I am here to tell you that it has actually very little to do with your preparation. The reason for this fluctuation is that we don't know if the CLAT paper this year would be difficult or easy. And there have been times where it is the common opinion that certain papers have been tougher than the others. So when coaching institutes formulate papers, they make it in such a way that some of them are difficult while some of them are easy. Now if you get an easy paper, that's not always good news because that's easy for everyone, meaning the cutoffs will be extremely high. So in that case, you need to be prepared well enough to get very good marks. So fluctuation in mocks is actually a very intentional exercise which is done by the paper setter of the mock. It is very important to not get disheartened from the marks that you get in mocks. Always remember, it is not the grades that are important, but the relative rank that you get. Because for a competitive exam, you don't need to get the highest possible marks. You just need to get marks better than the others. So focus on rank, and if you think that it is your rank which is low, then that should be a point of concern. Now it is very important to analyze your mocks and to make sure that there are no foundational discrepancies or deficiencies in your preparation. As long as that is good, even if you don't score as good in a mock and you're getting a good enough rank, that is good enough. It is very important at this stage of prep to not get disheartened by marks you get in CLAT mocks and to make sure that you're focused on improving and not getting disheartened.